Breaking a cookie in half creates a straight side 10 centimeters long. Estimate the circumference. Use 3.14 for pi. Round your answer to the nearest whole number. Do not include units in your answer. For me, the best way to begin a problem like this is with a sketch. So here's my cookie, and I'm going to break it in half right down the middle. And so that means that it gives me a side length of 10 centimeters. I can see from the picture that I sketched that side length that we have goes from edge to edge right through the center of the circle. Therefore, it is a diameter. So the diameter is equal to 10 centimeters. We're being asked to find the circumference. So there are two formulas for circumference, but I'm going to use the one that's pi times d because I have the diameter. So I'm trying to find the circumference. It does say in the problem that I should use 3.14 for pi. And then, like I said, I know that the diameter is 10. We worked that out. So I have C equals, I can do this just using my math facts, multiplying this decimal by 10. We'll move the decimal place 1 to the right. So I end up with 31.4 for the circumference. The instructions do tell me that I need to round my answer to the nearest whole number. So I'll look at my whole numbers. I have 31, and then this value of 4 will cause me to round down to the number itself. And so we're going to have an estimated circumference of 31 centimeters. If you chose the wrong answer of 31.4 centimeters, you did so many things right. So you knew what the picture would be, you knew that you had the diameter, you knew the formula or one of the formulas, you used it correctly, you substituted correctly, you multiplied correctly, and then at the end, you forgot that you were supposed to round your answer to the nearest whole number. Maybe you didn't read the instructions, maybe you weren't sure what that meant, and so you left your number without rounding to the nearest whole number. So you were really, really close. Right there at the end is just where things fell apart. So my suggestion in this case is that you make sure as you're getting ready to submit your answers that you're going back and checking all the instructions and that you actually have really completed every piece of the instructions so that your answer will get you full credit.